to do another Halloween wreath. This one, we're going to do eat, drink, and be scary. So we're going to use this black poly burlap with the tinsel in it. We're going to need 8 pieces at 18 inches. Now, the rest of them all need to be 10 inches. So y'all, this time, we're going to take our base. So we're gonna grab our 2 10-inch pieces, make a little X, and then go all the way around the frame on the bottom. So we did our 2 10-inch curls all the way around the bottom. Now we're gonna do 1 20-inch ruffle around the top. So for these, we're gonna take our 20-inch piece, curl the end just a little bit, and then ruffle it. And then we're gonna lay this one little ruffle right on the top. You guys can see, we still have plenty coverage. You can't see through it. But it only took 1 roll of mesh. All right, so I'm just gonna take my rotary cutter and cut me some strips of this. Now, the only reason that you would have to use something like this is if your board is a little thin, right? So this one, probably not thin enough to have to worry about it. But if your board is thin, you can take some of this foam, put it on the corner, then put your pipe cleaner on top of it, then staple it. I'm gonna run the pipe cleaner through the poly and then just wrap it around the frame. All right, so I'm going to use the ghost as my base. So I get a good 8-inch tail. Y'all, if you are not a member of our creative coaching group, we are closing open enrollment tonight. So check it out at damonscreativecoaching.com. All right, so we're just gonna do this same little X over and over again. Now, y'all, at this point, I have a lot of other ribbon that doesn't have a lot of ribbon left on the spool. So for these ribbons, I can take them and just cut a strip, just a single strip, and add that single strip into my bow, right? So I won't have the full loop, but I will have all the color variations. Y'all, let's get our 2 pipe cleaners. All right, so there's our 2 pipe cleaners. All right, get our pipe cleaner around here. There's our first bow. We're gonna take our bows that are not fluffed out yet, and we're gonna put one down here at the bottom. So from here, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and fluff this little bow out a little bit. Y'all, so now we need to get some tails around the base. So y'all, this time I'm only gonna put 1 2.5 inch and 1 1.5 inch all the way around. All right, so I'm gonna need 5 of these. 1, 2, 5. 5 of these. I'm gonna cut mine 14 inches because I just like the 14-inch tail. I need 5 of these. Because we're using the remaining pieces, I am going to be alternating them, so I have to use less of a single kind. We're gonna take our 2 pieces, fold it in half, all right, so for me personally, I don't really like this spot right here where I can still see so much mesh. So I'm gonna cut at least 1 more set of tails and add them here, and then we'll see what it looks like. And look how cute that is.